Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to delete repeating event in calendar app on iPhone. So first what you want to do is open up your calendar app. So here, once you are here, just tap on the repeating event that you have or that you have saved. So I'm just going to tap on this one. So it's called new event, and once you've tapped on it, here at the very bottom you'll see the delete event option. So just tap on that, then you will have two options, either to delete this event only, so to delete this event at this particular date only, which is May 18, 2024, or you could also delete all future events, so you could delete all the future events or the upcoming events that this particular repeating event that you have. So I'm just going to delete all future events right here. Now it is gone. And that's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.